Hi guys. Today obviously I got the Minion. This is the Poseidon Lucius. This one is the small one. They have two versions. They have that one and the Elite one, if I'm correct, which is a little bigger than this one. I got this one because I saw it in a tattoo convention about like 8 months ago or so, and I really like the size of it and the overlook of it. So I decided to get one since it's not an expensive machine. You can get this by Poseidon under $100. It's a cute little machine. A lot of people call it the Minion. I wonder why. Let's open it. I took out the paper, the plastic first. Oh, look how pretty it is. It looks like a little minion. I gotta put an eye on it somewhere. So yes, this is the Poseidon Lucius. So, oh, I love the way. Listen to this. I like it. It's not too strong of a click. Oh, the motor is hidden. The motor is an 8-volt, 8,000 RPM motor. What are the specs on this again? The frame is aluminum alloy. I remember that. There's 5 axis. The battery is 1600 mAh. That's not so bad. That's a direct drive in it. Stroke is 4.0 millimeter stroke. As for needle length, it's 1 millimeter to 4.2 millimeter. Voltage range from 4 volt to 12 volt for people that like to arrange their machine according to voltage. The grip size is 42 millimeter for people that like it big and stuff like that. I like those machines with this because when I tattoo, the part that start hurting me the most of the time, it's the bone right here. And with those machines, you got a nice little groove for the bone, so it's gonna help when you work a longer time with it. What else? The charging time for this, it's the usual, maybe an hour, 2 hours, I would say. And it works. It says advertised that it works between 4 and 6 hours. Let's test this because so far the machine, what they advertise, it's not necessarily how long they really work. So beside one that I was extremely surprised at, the Mask Archer, who has batteries for days. But this one, let's test it. So in the next part, I'll be showing how this little thing works. So in the meantime, peace and check it out. One thing I forgot to show, it's that beautiful little screen. Check this out. It's really colorful. You got everything on it. Everything is easy to read. But what I like the most, it's all the colors. It's really nice. So yeah, see you on the next part. Alright guys, so I'm testing this on fake skin and on real skin. And this is the part where I'm telling you what I think of it. It works pretty damn well. It's pretty light. The how can I say, the battery lasts quite long. I was kind of surprised about how long the battery lasts. But again, it's really cool little machine, the little Minion, I like to call it. And one thing I'd like to say about this, and most machines have the same problem, it's the power button. Makers, this is for you. Try to put the power button somewhere else and bigger, because every time you see the machine is not wrapped because I'm working on this, but once it's wrapped it's harder to get. Sometimes you change the the voltage of it, and I don't like that. So this is a message to the people that make those little machines. All right. So here's my final thoughts on this little beauty. First thing first, the size. The size, it's amazing to work with. How can I say? It feels really quiet. It doesn't vibrate much. It's actually amazing for a budget machine like this. This machine goes for right now $65 on the Poseidon website, and I suggest this to everyone that want to start tattooing with a pen. This is amazing because of the price, battery, vibration, screen. It's quite amazing. The only thing I don't like, it's like a lot of other machine. I own multiple machine and they all have that same little issue. Maybe there's one that I have that it's a tiny bit better than the other, which is the Maskfold 2 Pro, which the issue is not as bad. Here's the issue. The button, I also talked about it during the video. It's the power button. Right now the machine is not wrapped. Once it's wrapped, it's harder to see, harder to feel, especially where the buttons are the same size, this close to each other. It's annoying, and especially like the power, it's in between the plus and the minus, and you often change the voltage just trying to push it down. And this one, unlike the other machine, right now it's on. In about like 2-3 seconds, the screen's gonna go on pretty much saving mode. And when you want to touch the power, I'll wait a little bit. When you want to touch the power, you have to touch it twice, because the first touch will reactivate the screen, and then you'll be able to touch it. So it's a little bit annoying to touch the button, the power button, to turn it off, and it doesn't turn off. You have to touch it a second time. You get used to it. You see, like, the screen is like this. I touch it once, it just open it, doesn't stop the machine, and then it will stop it on the second touch. It's a little annoying, especially that it's hidden. Maybe if the button would be like a bigger one right in the middle there, or on top here, something that it's easy to access, easy to touch when you use the machine. On this machine, the grip is big, it's nice, I love, like I said, like that little groove here. It helps, because this is the part that hurt when you tattoo for a long time. So this is the only down part. It's pretty much that, the position of the button, and battery lasts for about 4 hours, depending on how hard you use the machine. I figure there's a lot of adjustment, like needle length, that you can adjust. It goes really far. A lot of machine, they don't go that far, but this one, pretty amazing. So for its price, I would pay more than $65 for this, because it's worth it. So check it out, guys. Peace. Hope this review helped, because I've seen a lot of these little Minion. People wondering if they're any good. I'm telling you, they're pretty awesome, especially for the price. So get one, all right? So peace. Hope it helped. Talk to you later.
Crew, I brainwashed, thinking that I owe